I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 208 in the Allure Premium specification. So this car comes with a lovely panoramic glass roof. You also get 16-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, there's reverse parking sensors and a rear camera. Now inside the car, the touchscreen features DAB digital radio, as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. But on top of this you get air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers and also cruise control. So let's have a look around. Taken this car in part exchange. It's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 82 horsepower. The car's done under 16,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.